effects.
Okay, we're going to play a game called Sound Effects. And this game is going to be for Brandon and Sean. And we need 2 volunteers.
Chris Lilly.
Okay, would you like to play? Could I have another volunteer, please?
Don't reach your hand all at once.
I'll do it.
All right. What's your name?
Oh,
Christy
Lily.
Christy
Christy Lily.
Christy Lily. Nice to meet you. Brandon.
Christy Lily.
Oh, John Rick.
And what's your name?
Zanny.
Okay. So, you guys are going to be behind the mics.
Oh.
And what's going to happen here is we're going to give Brandon and Sean a scene.
Mike
And-
check. Mike check.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Someone is.
Yes. So, Christy Lily is going to be playing sounds for Brandon. And Zany here is going to be sounds for Sean. So, let's give them a scene. Let's give them another obstacle. What are they trying to find?
WMD.
Uterine a dog.
Uterine a dog. Uterine.
It's a new word. It's a new word.
Okay. Yeah.
Divorce.
So you guys are going to be neutering a dog.
Uterine a dog.
Yeah.
There we go. Train to do it.
And you guys got sounds.
So whatever we do, we come up with sounds about.
You're going to be neutering a dog?
We'll set you.
Which country are we in right now?
Silent.
Just wondering.
Doing a good job.
Never mind.
Oh, okay. Okay, not a dog.
Maybe dog.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah. Oh, and I'm the.
Whenever you're ready.
So angry, I'm gonna stomp through this door. One of those automatic doors, dang it.
Behind the eccentric entrance.
Because, okay?
Ring, 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 ring.
You hear that? The phones are going through the roof. I can't answer right now. Okay?
So what's your problem?
We're busy. We have dogs coming left and right. They want to get neutered. I heard a cat. We got cats. Yeah, we're having a 2-for-1 special. And people are just bringing in their animals.
2.
Yeah, you saw what I did there. The dogs are awfully quiet. I guess they were listening. Okay, they were listening. That's one we gotta give first. Okay? He's struggling. He's fighting me. I actually.
What's wrong with that dog?
I already medicated him. He's a little loopy. I just,
Hold on. Hello? Yes? No pizza here.
I know, I got it. Just put it down. He's already asleep. I gave him enough gin to knock out a big person who likes gin. But that's besides the point. He's sleepy. We got to do this now. I'll let you do what you need to do. You're the doctor, right?
I've never done this before. What
Here,
do I need?
Here, I'll hold it for you. Oh God, he's awake! The gin's not working!
Hold on.
Get the hammer! Meow! Hammer! What are you doing? We're only trying to hurt one animal!
Here we go. I want to do it.
Just do it! No, he is crying. He's kind of cute. Just give me the hammer. I guess it's a plastic hammer. I'm just teaching him the lesson. See, now he's well behaved.
So that's how you neuter him?
In a way.
I don't want to work here anymore, dude.
Hey, Spike, look over there.